Hello everyone, this is Asghar Nazir. Today I will show you how to install MySQL Workbench on your Windows machine. MySQL Workbench is a software like IntelliJ or Eclipse that you can use to write SQL queries as you have been using IntelliJ or Eclipse to write your Java code. Now to install the MySQL Workbench, you guys need to go to Google and then you need to type MySQL Workbench. And once you hit enter, you need to click on this first link that says MySQL Workbench. And after the page loads, you guys will see this download now button. You need to click on this button to download the installer. So once you are on this page, you guys just need to scroll down and you guys need to click on this download button in here. So once you click on this download button, it will ask you to sign up or log in. You guys don't need to do any of this. Just click on this text that says, no thanks, just start my download in here. And then it will start downloading the installer on your computer. So once the download is complete, you can click on that installer from your Google Chrome, or you can go to your downloads folder and you can click on this installer to install MySQL Workbench on your computer. So once you click on the installer, you will see this wizard in here. You just need to click on next. If you want to change the location, you can change it from here. Otherwise, keep the things as default. And then let it install. Once it has installed MySQL Workbench on your computer, it will automatically open that workbench in front of you. Now you need to click on that plus button. And then you need to enter the credentials for your MySQL database connection. So you can give any name to your connection, but for the host name, make sure guys you are entering the same information as I am entering in here. So for the IP, we will be entering 3.237.189.167. For the port, keep it 3306. The username is syntax_HRM. The password that you guys need to enter will be shared with you in the course announcements channel. So enter that password in here. And you can simply click on OK. Now, depending upon which version of MySQL Workbench you are installing, you might have some issues. To avoid those issues, click on this Advanced tab and type use SSL same as this is equal to 0, and then click on test connection. If everything goes well, you will see this prompt successfully made the SQL connection. That means everything looks good and you are ready for your SQL classes. Now you can also type some queries by clicking on this connection in here, and it will open an editor on your computer. You can type some queries to further test out if everything looks good or not. So for now, just type the same query as I am typing in here. And if you see the tables populated with data, that means everything is good on your end. So type use syntax HRM_MySQL and then select all from persons and hit this lightning icon in here. After the query is executed, you should see this table that contains this first name, last name, and all that. And some of you might face issues. If you face those issues, it means that you are missing some dependencies. So for example, here you can be missing the Microsoft.NET framework. So to download those dependencies, there are 95% chances that you guys will not be needing them. But if you face some issues, that means you have to install those dependencies as well. So the first dependency is Microsoft.NET framework. So I will show you how to install that. But as I have already, my Windows already has that dependencies. So it will show me that I don't need to install it because I already have it. So just click on that link and it will take you to the Microsoft page from where you can download the .NET dependency. Just click on that download button, and then it will download that .NET framework installer on your computer. Once the installer is done downloading, just click on that installer. And as I am using the Windows 10 and it has all the updates, so it will show me that I already meet the requirements. I already have this .NET framework on my computer. But if you are using Windows XP 7 or maybe 8 or something older, then you might need to install this as well. The second dependency is the Visual C++ distribution. Just copy this text from here and paste it on the Google. And you need to open the link from STST. So first link will be from Microsoft. The second link will be from STST, this one. Just go to this page and scroll down a little, and then you will see an option for a 64-bit Windows and 32-bit Windows. So just download the 64-bit version, because I believe most of you are using the 64-bit. But if you are using 32-bit, you can also download and install this dependency for that version. And after that, your MySQL Workbench should look fine. But if you still face any issues, you guys are always welcome to post in the support channel. So that's it for today. I will see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.